Tico woke up to a strange stillness. No puddles, no splashes. The rain had forgotten to fall. She searched the sky. Nothing. Maybe the rain forgot us, whispered the frog. Tico decided to find out why. Up she climbed, to the oldest leaf in the jungle, the one that always caught the first drop. But it was dry, too. The wind whispered gently, "Rain only falls where it's remembered kindly, where it's thanked." So they sang, they danced, they thanked the rain for all the puddles, the splashes, the songs on their rooftops. And just like that, the rain remembered them. Tico smiled. Some things return when we're simply grateful. That day, Tico didn't need to speak to be heard. Sometimes the jungle's loudest magic comes in quiet moments. When we listen to others, to nature, and to ourselves, we find the kind of peace that words can't carry.